Welcome everyone to another vlog from Kayak Island in Vietnam. Today we're going on a boat tour around Ha Long Bay. There's going to be a few stops along the way and plenty of epic views, so stay tuned for that. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, so we're on the boat now. We're touring Ha Long Bay. We just left port and it's an overcast day, but honestly that's good because if it was really sunny we'd probably get a lot of sunburn and it would be really, really hot. But it's so far gorgeous. And we got a couple activities for the day. The only one that I'm aware of is kayaking, and I'm looking forward to that. And we've got our wonderful tour guide T, which is Paul's friend, T, and we're just gonna keep doing it.
My name is T. I come from Kayak Island. The man taking to the school by boat every day. And the man also bring a bit provide the market or restaurant in the high school. It's the one of the biggest thing in Vietnam.
So we're at our first activity, which is kayaking. We're also gonna go to a monkey island later on. The first activity of the day, we're kayaking.
Yeah!
Pretty awesome. We can go in like some caves and stuff. And then we have an hour out here. And then after this, I don't know what we're doing after this, but some of the other activities include snorkeling and going to an island full of really angry monkeys that apparently sometimes bite tourists. So that's good. But for now, we're gonna enjoy this kayaking because this is just freaking beautiful. You know, pulled over like this coral reef. Paulie doesn't want to get out of the boat though. He's scared. But it's so nice over here. There's some people swimming. Everybody's kind of bringing their kayaks back here. It's not a hidden area or anything, but it's gorgeous. And you have to come through that like cave back there to get over here. It's so pretty though. And the sun's finally popping out, which is nice. We've got to head back to the boat now. Our hour is basically up. We have like 5 minutes to get back there.
It's so far.
It's so far. I'm just gonna make Paulie paddle the whole way while I, you know, vlog. I'm kidding, I'm gonna help him out.
Take a picture. A video?
So we just got to the monkey island. They took us on a little boat from the big boat to the monkey island. I don't even know how long we're on here for, probably about 45 minutes to an hour. And there's already some monkeys back there. Apparently these monkeys aren't that nice, so we gotta be a little cautious because they might steal your stuff. But yeah, let's go explore the monkey island.
Some say I don't have time for it, baby. And some say I got too much on. Some say I don't get what you give, babe.
So we're on the monkey island, but I don't think we're gonna do the hike. There's a short hike back there. We've already hiked so much around Vietnam that we just kind of want to enjoy the beach for once instead of hiking. So we're just gonna hang out on the beach until our boat has to leave and bring us back to the main island in ATLA.
I want you, just want your sunny days. I want you, I want you.
Hey, that's
Just want your sunny days. I want you, I want you. Just want your sunny days. I want you, I want you. Keep me on, keep me on, keep me on, babe. Keep me on, keep me on, babe. Keep me on, keep me on.
just finished up the tour of Ha Long Bay. Just got back to our hostel and we're gonna walk over to a restaurant that we've eaten at a few times now called Yummy, because it's really cheap and really good. And then not quite sure what we're doing the rest of the night, but it's our last night in Kayak, so we're just gonna enjoy it.
You say, baby, and you know it's true.
I just finished some lunch over there at Yummy. We'll probably be back there later because it's just so delicious and so affordable. We almost got a second plate, but we decided not to because we're just gonna get coffee again at the same place we were at yesterday, because it's a really touristy spot, but the coffee is absolutely delicious and you can't deny that. So we're gonna head back there. Okay, so Light Coffee is closed, so now we have to find another coffee shop. That's okay. I'm not really sure why they're closed. Pretty random. So we found another coffee shop, and I think we're just gonna have a cup of coffee and then kind of just hang out for the rest of the night. I'm gonna stop vlogging for the rest of the night and catch up with you guys in the morning. We're gonna catch a 9 a.m. bus to head to Ninh Binh City. That's how you say that, right? Mm-hmm. Ninh Binh City, and I'll catch up with you guys there. No, he's giving Joe. No, you go. Look at her. Should I push her off?